How to fix blocked HTML page. For the first method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. See if that works. For the second method, you want to check your extensions. On your web browser, click on the three dots, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, you can disable it or you can delete it. You can remove it. After you do that, just refresh the page, see if that works. For the next method, you want to clear your browser cache and cookies. Click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on history, and then open history page, and then select delete browsing data. You want to select more, and then click on all time. Select both cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to. Make sure you select both cookies and cache, and then click on delete. See if that works. For the next method, in your web browser settings, scroll down and then click on About your web browser. For me, it's going to be About Chrome. It's then going to start checking for updates for you. Make sure that your web browser is up to date. Two more things you can try is you can try another web browser, see if that works. Or you can temporarily disable your antivirus or your firewall, see if that works.